Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and here I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how you guys can repair your LED TV's LED if there's a half blank screen symptom, or even there's no lights, backlights on your LED TVs. Even if there's a pictures on it, but you can't see because there's no brightness behind it. So I already disassembled this LED TV, which is Kogan brand 42-inch. So as you guys can see, there's a in this particular model they have 4 strips of LEDs. So I'm gonna show you how you can test it one by one or in a whole in a series using the LED tester meter. So for that I just show you now. This is a LED tester. It's about $50. You can purchase it online or from the local store. So I'm gonna use this device, and show you how you can test your LED strips and diagnose the problem. So this one works on a AC, so I have to plug it into the power cord, into the supply. And here you guys can see is a voltage. So this one is a 330 volt machine, so you can test up to 330 volts DC. And be careful you don't touch these two probe a long time with your fingers, otherwise you're gonna get some shock from this device. So let's go ahead and test the LED strips. So here I leave it like here. You can test with this device, with this meter LED tester, whole strip, and you can go one by one. I show you how you can do it easily. So on every LED strip there is a 2 points where the connection from the power supply comes back here. One is a positive and another one is a negative. So you just touch your positive probe on a positive point and the negative on a negative probe, and there you go. And you can see is all lights are working fine. So this is the same way I have to test. You can test another strip. So we point the needles, and there you go. You can see the second LED strip is also working perfectly. Now let's move on to third one. And this one didn't light up at all. So this means we're gonna have some problem in this strip. Let's try next strip. And there you go. This is fine as well. So as you guys seen it, so 1, 2 and 3, the 3 LED strips are working perfectly. The only problem in this strip. So to find out where is the problem, I go one by one in front of you. Okay. You can see this LED is light up. You can test it by one, and you can see on a meter there is a how much voltage this LED using, 2.7 volt DC. So this is a very good device to test this LED. So 2.7 this one. Now the next LED, it's also working fine. Next, this is okay. Next, this is okay. This is also okay. This is fine. This is okay. Okay again. Yep, working okay. It's fine. Okay. This is okay. And this one. So this LED is having a problem. See, this lights up and lights goes down. So this strip having a problem. This one also not lighting up. And the last one. And this one also having a problem. So these 3 LEDs are bad LEDs. Because they're all in a series. So if any one of these LEDs not working properly, they're not gonna make a complete circuit through another strip, and we're not gonna have any lights. So in order to fix this, I have to replace whole strip, or the best thing you can do it, always if there is a problem similar like this, just replace all strips at the same time, so you don't have a problem in the future as well. So that's it guys. So this is the easiest way you can test it. So if you like my video, please thumbs up, give us a thumbs up, and thanks for watching it.